Emma wanted to learn English. She didn't know where to start. She told herself, "Start small. Learn a little every day." Emma began by listening to English songs. The music made her feel happy. She sang the lyrics every morning. It helped her with pronunciation. Emma watched cartoons in English. They used simple words and short sentences. She read the subtitles while watching. That helped her understand more. She wrote down new words in a notebook. Just 5 words each day. She practiced saying the words out loud. Speaking made them easier to remember. She drew pictures next to each word. It helped her remember their meaning. Emma used flashcards to review vocabulary. She made a game from learning. She put English labels on things at home. Door, chair, window, everywhere. She looked at the labels every day. Repeating helped her learn faster. Emma downloaded a dictionary app. She checked new words in seconds. She watched simple YouTube videos in English. Some channels were made for beginners. She listened carefully and repeated sentences. It was like talking with the video. Emma started reading short stories. Children's books were perfect to practice. She read 1 page a day. Slowly, her reading got better. She found an English friend online. They chatted once a week. At first, she made many mistakes, but her friend encouraged her. Emma didn't give up. She kept trying and learning. She wrote a short diary in English. Just 1 paragraph a day. She wrote about her school, her cat, and her dreams. She listened to English while walking. Podcasts made her time useful. She changed her phone language to English. It helped her learn new daily words. She joined an online English group. They shared tips and practiced speaking. She practiced speaking in front of the mirror. It helped her feel confident. She recorded herself reading. Then she listened and corrected her mistakes. Emma played English games online. Games made learning fun and exciting. She watched the same movie twice. The second time, she understood more. She watched cooking videos in English. She learned words like cut, boil, and mix. She made a word wall in her room. New words were added every week. Emma set small weekly goals. Learn 10 words. Write 1 story. She didn't compare herself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Sometimes she felt stuck. She took a break, then came back stronger. She listened to English music before sleeping. It helped her brain relax with the language. She practiced English every day. Even 15 minutes was helpful. Emma didn't wait to be perfect. She spoke even with mistakes. She asked, "What does that mean?" whenever she didn't know something. She listened more than she talked. Listening helped her speak better. She focused on daily English. Not grammar rules. Use first. Fix later. After 6 months, Emma could understand English songs. She felt proud. She joined an English event at school. She introduced herself with confidence. Emma helped her friend practice too. Teaching helped her remember more. She applied for an English speaking competition. She gave a short speech. Everyone clapped for her. She smiled with joy. Learning English changed Emma's life. She felt ready for the world. She looked back at day 1. Small steps brought big results. She said, "Anyone can learn English. Just begin." Start small. Practice daily. Use what you learn. Be like Emma, believe in yourself. And never stop learning.